Today I will explain about the topic central nervous system. The central nervous system CNS is a vital part of the human body's neurons system consisting of the brain and spinal cord. Here's a detailed explanations. Number 1, brain. The brain is the command center of the nervous system and is located within the skull. It is composed of billions of neurons nerve cells that communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals. The brain is responsible for cognition, thinking, learning, memory, and decision making. B. Sensations and prescriptions, interpreting sensory information from the environment, such as sight, sound, taste, touch, and smell. Number C. Motor function, controlling voluntary movements and coordinations. D. Regulations of physiological process, maintaining homeostasis, controlling hormones, and regulating body temperatures. Number 2. Spinal cord. The spinal cord is a long, thin, tubular bundle of nerve that extends from the base of the brain down through the vertebral column spine. It is protected by the vertebrae, bones of the spine, and serves several critical functions. A. Transmissions of nerve signals. It acts as a pathway for nerve impulses traveling to and from the brain and peripheral nervous system. PNS. Number B. Reflex actions. It coordinates rapid responses to stimuli, such as withdrawing your hand from a hot object without involving the brain directly. Number 3. Function of the CNS. A. Integrations. The CNA integrates information received from sensory organ and processes it to formulate appropriate responses. Coordination. It coordinates voluntary and involuntary action of the body through motor responses. Number C. Higher cognitive functions. These include consciousness, reasoning, language, and emotions, all of which are largely controlled the brain. Number 4. Structure and compositions. A. Neurons. These are the basis units of the CNA, transmitting information through electrical and chemical signals. B. Supporting cells. Gills cell provides support insulations and nutrients to neurons, ensuring their proper functioning. C. Protective barriers. The CNS is protected by several layers of membranes called meninges, cerebrospinal fluid, CSF for cushioning, and the blood-brain barrier that regulates what substances can enter the brain. Number 5. Disorders and disease. Disorders of the CNS can range for developmental condition, example autism, spectrum disorders to digestive disease. Example: Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, traumatic injuries. Example: spinal cord injuries, infections. Example: meningitis and tumors. B. Treatment often involves a multidisciplinary approach including medication, surgery, rehabilitations, and supportive care. Understanding the central nervous system helps use appreciate its complexity and importance in maintaining overall health and functionality. Thank you.